To check your Pinterest account is business or personal, follow the step. Go to Pinterest app on your mobile. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Again tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now tap on Account Management under Settings. Here look at the account type. If you see option like Analytic, Claim Accounts or Convert to Personal Accounts, your account is business account. And if you see an option that says Convert to Business Account, your account is personal account. That's it. This is how you can easily tell if your Pinterest account is business or personal. Thanks for watching.